Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and today we are going to be collecting baby cedar trees from around the neighborhood and also learning about the reproduction of both trees and plants alike. So without further ado, let's get things started. Since it's raining outside right now, I'm taking a moment to teach you about the reproduction of trees. The first stage is a mature tree. It then opens a flower and waits for a bee to pollinate. Then the fruit develops. Inside the fruit is the seed, which then falls to the ground. It uses the fruit to fertilize it. First the root sprouts, then the top sprouts open. Soon a plant starts developing. Then the second stage of life. Then the third, and then a mature tree again. Tree reproduction is easy when it comes to apples, but not so easy for other plants. So the rain has stopped. I'm just going to wait a little before we go outside though, just in case it picks up again. But hold on tight, we're going out soon. This is a hard time for a lot of people with the COVID-19 outbreak. But just know, everyone is with you. We stand together and we stand strong. And I hope you can enjoy this video. Trees as well is paper towel, a spoon or shovel or something to scoop up underneath, or newspaper like I have. And you just kind of grab dirt from around the roots, put it in here, tie it up, and you're done. I've come across a little baby pine here, so we're just gonna scoop him out and put some dirt onto the paper towel and take him home like that. I'm not exactly sure. If you have any ideas, leave it in the comments. But let's go look for some more. Gonna sit there while we look for more. I did wrap him up with newspaper. Another one I found. I want to try and get him out, but it's quite tricky right here because their roots are so secure. But yeah, that's a little guy. So I think I'm gonna put these back at the house and then look. Now I'm back at the house and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the pine tree reproduction. So how it starts out is the big trees, which are around the neighborhood. They're just beside me and behind me. They produce little seed pods that get pollinated. They're kind of like flowers, I guess, but not exactly. And they get pollinated by the bees, which then cross-pollinates, which can create new species of trees if properly done. And then the seed develops and lands in the ground. After that, the seed starts to germinate, sprouting roots, and then popping out of the ground. This guy looks like he's on the third stage, which is growing an extra limb and then developing some more. This guy is kind of yellowy. I don't know if you can see it compared to the other one, and they look like the same species. So I wonder if this guy just didn't get enough water. Of course, these are wild trees. Like, they weren't perfectly pollinated or like watered all the time. They're just there. And why I like doing this is because, one, I get new trees for my garden, and two, it kind of gives the trees a chance of life because they were right under the power lines, so eventually they would have to be cut down. So I find this quite fun, and it kind of, I guess you would say it saves them, if that makes any sense. But I just love the trees. They're so adorable, and I might go look for some more. So yeah, I hope you have fun, and I hope you learned a little bit about pollination and the reproduction of trees. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I am doing a subscriber challenge. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and you'll be entered into a draw to win a packet of bluebell seeds for your very own garden, mailed right to you. So thanks for watching. See you next time.